Sometimes I wish this wasn't Bullmastiff ND. I wish it was Bullmastiff some other state, but it's like this. But for whatever reason, he seems to love this snow. Dude. Here we go again, guys. Middle of a blizzard, and Tua's loving it. As you can see, he went and jumped over that drift. Look at him go. Sometimes I wish this wasn't Bullmastiff ND. I wish it was Bullmastiff some other state, but it's like this. But for whatever reason, he seems to love this snow. We're supposed to get a lot more the rest of today and into tomorrow, which seems to be perfectly fine by this guy. Dude. Pretty cold right now, well below zero with the wind chill. I don't know what it is. Last time I looked, it was maybe 30 below with the wind chill. So he's good for, you know, 5-10 minutes out here tops, and then we got to go back in. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, crazy? Oh man, this guy. Did you lose your bone? Huh? You lose your bone? Here, I think I found it. Here it is, Tua. There's your bone. Well, I've had about enough of this. I'm going in. You ready to go in or what? Come on. Come on, let's go in. You ready to go in? Let's go. Come on, Tua. Yeah, you ready? Let's go inside. Come on. Tua, you sit. You sit. Good boy. Good boy.